Let me check my Exponia to see if the stream started. Let's see. I want to see if the stream started. Did it? Yay, it started. Okay, let me open the chats here. I'm looking at the chat from my phone, not from the OBS, the streaming software. So what's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. In this stream, we're gonna be doing some JavaScript exercises from a website called freecodecamp.com. It's completely free, and you can access the same exercises from that website. I put a link down in the description, I believe. And yeah, we're gonna be doing some coding. We're gonna do some JS exercises with the YouTube live chat. I want to see if anybody's here yet. Oh, it says there's one person, but I don't know. Music is kind of nice too. I opened no copyright sounds again. But yeah, let's go. Let me sip my water first, and then we can start. And I forgot to share my screen. I just realized that. Let me move this a little bit like closer. And now, oh, Adam is here. Hello, Adam. Welcome. Let's go, guys. So I'm at step 82. Let me go back to JavaScript algorithms. So there's 118, I'm in 80 seconds. So there's like what, 36 left. Let's try to finish 36 in this live stream. Let's go, guys. Okay, step 82. Text is gone again. The empty strings. Oh, I can't concentrate at all with this music. Let me put this up. The empty strings evaluate the false, making them a falsy value. You will learn more about truth and false values in the future projects. In addition to if statements, JavaScript also has if-else statements. Else-if statements allow you to check multiple conditions in a single block of code. This is basically the same as literally every single coding language. So yeah, in the first condition, false. I think I'll roll a bit low for myself. I can increase it if you want. Do you mean the volume of the song or volume of me? I'm just gonna see until you reply. Oh, so hot here. I keep bragging about the every single stream, but I know it's so hot here. I think, is the volume fine now? I hope it is. But I'm just gonna continue. If it's not alright, I'm gonna change it again. So what does it say? The first condition is false. JavaScript will check the next condition, and variant signature is JavaScript will check third, and so on. Below the statement. So you get the else if right here. Else. I can hear you barely. Oh, it's probably because of the. So I think it's gonna be better right now. So let's continue with the else if. Because the volume on my PC was low, I think that was the reason. Music is fire though. Is the music too loud now? I wanna see. Yeah, it's too loud. I think it's better now though. Let's go. Yeah, it's better, it's better, it's better. Okay, let's continue with else if. Let's do. What is the condition that they want me to put? Statement that checks if 5 is less than 10. If 5 smaller than 10. Then inside the body of the else if statement, log the string
And oh shit, wait, let me close the sound of this one so it doesn't echo. Else if condition 2 and else if condition 3. Code to run into condition is true. So if the 5 is less than 10, and then inside is where I place the code, I believe, and then here I have to say 5 is less than 10. And this should work, right? I think it's fine. Oh, I gotta log it. I keep forgetting. Console.log. I keep forgetting, guys. Sorry. Oops. It should work now. Yep. 5 is less than 10. So let's move on, guys. These are like really easy examples, so I don't think we're gonna have any problems with these today. Not unless they get like extremely harder. Step 83. Sometimes you will want to run a different code when all the if else if conditions are false. You can just do this by adding an else block. An else block will only evaluate conditions if and else if blocks are not met. Here then else. Okay, condition else if. Hmm. Um. Do you have a specific goal for today? Yeah, my goal for today is to like finish all these. So there's 118. I'm at 83rd. I'm going to be trying to be finishing these today. Let's go chat. There's 4 people here. That's good. I just started the stream. I think my thumbnail is a little bit better now. I mean, I changed it. I've been editing it from my Photoshop. But let's go. So we have if condition. They want me to use else condition. So I'm assuming the else works like if this doesn't work, this works, and if this doesn't work, this works. First and the second conditions are false. This only runs if the above ifs are all like false, I believe. And then add an else block to the else if block. And let's do this. And else. It's really easy to use, I think. Else this code will run if the first second conditions are false. Okay, that's easy. Else block, lock the string. This is the else block. Okay. So this condition is true. console.log console.log and then do this and then what are we going to log? This is the else log and then we can do this and we can this is the else block but oh well I'm stupid. Okay, that was easy. Let's go guys. Step 84. That was just a mistyping. Step 84. Now that you have practiced working with if, else if, blah 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 statements, you can remove them from your code. Once you complete that, let's use let declare a continue loop variable and assign the boolean false. Then use let declare done variable. Now I have no idea what that means. So they want me to remove all of the ifs thingies. Okay, remove them from my codes and then let's declare continue loop variable. Okay, let's declare this continue loop variable and assign it to boolean false equals false. I think this is what they want me to do. I'm assuming continue loop variable and assign it to a boolean false. Then use let to declare down variable, assign the value 0. Okay. Let's done equals 0. I forgot to add this thingy. Hey, let's go. It's 71% complete. I'm looking for 100% today in this stream. My goal for this stream is that. Let's go, guys. While loop. Okay, now we're on to the while loops. Loops. I can't pronounce. A while loop will run over and over again until the condition specified is no longer true. It has the following syntax. I know this is like used for increments and such stuff. While condition and logic. Use that syntax to declare a while loop with the continue loop as a condition. The body should be empty. Okay, so while by buddy I mean they mean the condition, I think. No. Continue loop is gonna be here. Continue loop. And then let's do this. And then logic is gonna be the body should be empty. I think the body, like body, they mean the logic part. Yep. Okay, so when they say body, it's meant. Okay, go ahead. Go. I'm acing through this today. I'm way better. Step 86 right now. If you change continue loop to true, while loop will run forever. Exactly. This is called an infinite loop, and you should be careful to avoid these. An infinite loop can lock up your system, requiring a full restart to escape. To avoid this, start by using the increment operator to increase the value of the done variable inside your loop. So how do we do that? This, was it like this? How did we do the increment? Oh, it's correct. Hey, I don't think this should be correct. Adam, what do you think if you're here? I don't think this should be correct. I just don't see like how this is correct, but who cares? It says submit, so I'm just gonna submit. 87. Okay, the equality operator is used to check if the two values are equal. To compare two values, you use a statement like value equals 8. So if it's to see it's to see if the values are equal to each other. Add an if statement to your loop. The statement should check if count is equal to count using the equality operator. So do they want me to remove this, or should I like continue with this? And I think I should. Or I can do this. If and ihala. In real code it wouldn't work. Yeah, but yeah, it wasn't necessarily correct. In real code it wouldn't work exactly. This website is just like letting you off the hook just this once because they just want you to like understand the this like single prompt. Let's go. The statement should check if the done is equal to count using the equality operator. So I'm gonna start with done equal count, and then I'm gonna do this. Well, fuck. I did add if statement. Alexander says, "Where are you from?" I'm from Turkey. Done count. It's a statement for your loops. Statement should check. I don't understand what's wrong with this code though. Let me try to find out. So is it not working because I did the if like after the loop, and whereas I should have done it like inside the thing? So let me try that. I don't think I'm supposed to like increment the thing anymore. Let me just change this to this and do this. I think this is gonna work. I don't know, guys. Let's down equal count, and let's hope for the best. Let's do this. So what am I doing wrong here? Add an if statement to your loop. The statement should check if done is equal to count using the equality operator. I did add it. I think I'm missing something. Let's try to reset. Guys, any ideas? 4 people that are watching. 3 people that are watching, I'm sorry. You call the operator, you use checks two values are equals. Compare two values are likely the same, like value equals equals. So it's a check, I get it. But can I just like add it here? Like right here if I wonder. I just don't get it. I don't get it, guys. Let's reset. It has to be done. It has to be done if done equals counts. Hmm. Oh, oh, I just got it. In JavaScript, you put the condition and okay, let me try that one. So do I delete this one? I think I do because it doesn't tell me to like increment. It just tells me to like check if they're equal to each other. Let me delete this and let me try it this way. If I didn't know you could like do if like this. So this is a parameter, right? Done count. So you're saying this should work? Nope. Or did I do wrong? This is not gonna change anything. Mm. Oh shit. No, 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 no. I'm confused. Why am I missing? I don't get it. You call the operators. Okay, that part is okay. Was I supposed to do it without like deleting that part? Let me try that one. And then this is the thing. I can't just do it here, I'm assuming. So I got two scenarios in my mind. One, I'm gonna try it. Um, down to little counts and what's happening? You can try this one. Oh, okay. I was not supposed to delete it. So you were right. But I just didn't know like if I was supposed to delete this or not. And I didn't know you could like do two comments and like two commands in the thing. Okay. New information learned, I guess. Let me check this. So in Vile, you can just like type and type and type and type until like I don't know. I think I get it though. Okay. Yeah, I get it now. Thank you, Alexander, for the tip. Okay, ask me later. I'm broke. Step 88. The equality of operator can lead to some strange behavior in JavaScript. For example, 0 equals square is true even though one is a string and one is a number. The strict equality operator is used to check if the two values are equal and share the same type as a general rule. Blah blah blah. You should always use tree. Oh. So this is a strict equality operator if you use three equal signs. Becomes false because my okay, they're not the same type. Update your down count conditions. Okay, this is just no brainer. Let's go. When done, reach the value of the count. You want to loop? Stop it. Hmm. Am I just gonna say continue loop equals false? Is this how it's supposed to be? Yep. Okay. No copyright sound slaps. I agree. I agree. Definitely. I don't know, just like no copyright sound just gives me like, you know, childhood memories because I remember in like 2013 or 2012 they were like super popular on YouTube, like every YouTuber like used them in their like videos. So it just gives me nostalgia. What about you guys? Of course my voice cracks. I mean, when does it not? Of course you gave. Step 90. To make a pyramid generate again, push the results calling flat row done and count arguments to your rows array similar to what you did on your first loop. What the fuck? What? Can I just like remove this and like remove? Can't I just like remove this and remove this so like you know I can open this for loop again? Am I supposed to just say like rows dot push? Am I supposed to say the same thing here like and then I'm gonna call the function stats row. Olcan Yavuz says if equals don't count kanki. Teşekkür ederim. Ama birazcık şey var sıkıntı sanırım ya. Canlı yayında gecikme var. He's saying like I was just saying in Turkish like there's a delay in the stream, so that's why. Okay, let's continue, guys. Does it want me to do this? Probably not. You should call your Pedro function using dot push method. I just did it, but why does it not work? I'm assuming I'll have to do this again. So dot push. Oh, I'm supposed to do this. Nope. Hmm. He's saying like the condition must be between the parentheses. If it's like if the condition is true, you have to like write the equation inside the parentheses. And okay, I'm just learning new, so I'm a newbie, guys. Just go easy on me. I know you guys are like code pros. Rose up. Okay, so I was a little close. Down count. Oh, so row and down and count are like the parameters, right? So I do this and rows. Wait, is the rows capital? Nope. Rows. I don't think. I think this should be like down and count. I think that's what they want. Well, I think so too. How about I try this? Yep. Okay, that's correct. So I'm assuming these are like the parameters of the function, like we discussed yesterday with Adam. And Olcan is right. Olcan is right, but I think I did like a poor translation to English. Let's go. Olcan, thank you so much for the tip. Olcan çok teşekkür ederim şey için, tavsiye için. Let's move on. Step 91, the strict inequality operator. Okay, so this is basically like really similar to C, I think, and Python as well. This allows you to check two values are not equal or not have the same type. The syntax is similar to the equality operator. Value doesn't equal to 4. Update your while loop condition to check if done is not equal to counts. Okay, I'm just gonna let that sink in first. Let's update this, and we're gonna see if done is not equal to counts. Wait, what? Am I not supposed to do this? No copyright sound. Let's go. It's the best music, man. Definitely. Okay, so what am I missing here? Your while loop should check if done and count are not equal. Your while loop, so this is supposed to do it. I mean, this is already doing it, so this is inside the while loop already. Should I like delete this? I don't get it. I'm gonna reset it. Change the condition while the loop, while done equal count. Change the condition of the while loop. I did I not? I'm trying to understand, like, where exactly do I need to change? So I changed if, but I'm assuming that's not in the while condition? Or am I supposed to, like, make them, like, write them, like, close to each other? Like this? Nope. This is the increment, this is row push. I don't think I'm supposed to touch this. Oh yeah, change the condition of the while, not if. So I'm not touching this part because this is if. I'm supposed to do it here. If done is equal to, I want to see the shots. So I'm not touching here. Right now the while condition is while continued loop. Oh, you mean, oh. Oh, now it makes sense. Okay, so this is the condition, not the parameter. I keep like mixing the two. So because this is not a function, in functions, the inside of a parentheses is parameter, but inside like the while, it's inside this called the condition. Okay, Adam and Alexander, you guys are right. Sorry, my bad, guys. Let's change it to done. Oh, yes. Now you guys are right. I mean, you guys were always right. I was just I just didn't see it. My bad, guys. Set 92. Since you have the since you have moved the comparison into the while condition, you can remove the entire if statement. Okay. I mean, yeah, this doesn't really do anything, does it now? Let's remove this guy. And now it's still fine. This is our pyramid. It's going good, you guys. Here, what's 92? How many left to go? 78% complete. That's good. 118. I think we have like 25 to go. Continue loop false. Your loop is no longer relying on the continue loop variable. Okay. This makes the variable unused declaration. Why does it not rely on continue loop? So continue loop is false. Okay. While done equal not doesn't equal to count. Increment the done. Rows the push pad row done and counts. So these are the parameters. So you're good, man. You're a beginner. This stuff is a little weird, but you'll get a point where it comes naturally. Thank you so much, Alexander. Let's go, guys. I'm not giving up. So remove your continue loop. I'm just trying to understand like this thing. How does it not affect like the continue loop? I'm assuming because we're just checking if done is not equal to count. If they're not equal, we're just incrementing done by one. And then we're pushing we're calling the Padro function, and we're pushing rows, which is this, done and counts. Okay, I think I get it. Let's remove the continue thingy. Let's remove this. Okay, let's go. Your pyramid generator is still working, however, it could be possible to end up with an infinite loop again. Because you're only checking if done is not equal to count. If done were to be larger than count, for example, done were to be larger on count, exactly, it would like increment it forever, so that'd be weird. If you go on for okay, at least I understand that. Update your loop condition to check if done is less than or equal to count. Okay. So I think it was like this. Done is less than or equal to counts. Okay, this is easy. This is no-brainer stuff. Using done to track the number of rows that you have being generated is functional, but you can actually clean up the logic a bit further. Arrays have special length property that allows you to see how many values or elements are in the array. You would access this property using syntax like myArray.length. Interesting. So myArray is the name of the array. So for example, we name the array rows, so we're supposed to say rows.length. Update your conditions. Oh my god, can I just turn off all notifications? Yeah, that's better. I don't want to be disturbed in the stream. Would you access this property using a syntax like myArray.length? Update your condition to check if wrong length is equal to. Okay, so condition is here. Roll that length. Nope. I think it was less than or equal to. It's like this. Count. And it should work. Yep. Now it's gonna give me an error. Out of sight. Okay, 81% complete. That's good. That's really good. Let's go, guys. We're so close to 100. You can also replace the done reference in your Fedro call. Note that the rows lengths here would give you an off by 1 error because done incremented before the call. You need to replace the done here with rows.length plus 1. You need to change the while condition to use a less than operator. Okay. Oh, I gotta do this too. You'll need to change the while condition to use the less than operator. Good job, man. You don't even need our help anymore. That's nice. Well, I can't say that for certain. I'm pretty sure, like, in the upcoming things, I'm gonna need your help. So I need to change this thingy here too. So I need to replace down here with rows.length plus 1. Is it this one? Do I need to change this one? And then do this. You may see right here because we created a. Ah, I get it. Rows.length plus 1. I'm just doing what they tell me to do. It's not really learning, I think, in my point. Yeah, I mean, I am like getting more comfortable with using like while and like let loops, like while and if loops, but it's just not letting me like be creative about it. It's just telling me what to do. And now you no longer need your down variable. Remove the increment operation from your loop. The variable declaration for done. Okay, since we're not using them anymore, what's the point? Let's roll this guy too. Let's continue. Step 98. That's a very clean up functional loop. Yeah, exactly. While the rows length up. Damn. There's still more to explore. Use a multi-line comment to comment out. Do you want me to like do it like this? Oops. Well, I'm gonna do it the way I know. Oh, this. Okay, now it's unusable again. 83%, let's go. We're at step 99. We're so close to 100. How many people are here? 3 people, that's cool. Okay, step 99. What if you made your pyramid upside down or inverted? Why? Just why? Time to try it out. No. No. Start by creating a new for loop. Declare your iterator I and assign it the value of counts. Iterator. I forgot what the iterator was. Oh. Okay, we're gonna create a for loop. I forgot how these like work. I gotta go up for. I think it was this. Let I equals counts. I'm just like copying here. Aside the value of count, then use the boolean false for your condition iteration statement. Let's see. So we're gonna do this, and then assign it to value counts and use it. I don't get how that's like you gonna be used though. Am I going good? I don't know. Chad, I need your help. Oh, no, that's stupid. I'm confused. Start a new create for loop. Declare your iterator i's. I let I equal count, and then use a boolean false. And then should I say I equals false? I'm really confused here. Have to try it out. Start by creating a new for loop. Declare iterator I and assign it the value of counts. Use a boolean false for your condition iteration statements. Why does this not work? False is the condition. Is this the condition? It is using false as the condition, right? Am I supposed to say if? No. Should I just ask ChatGPT? I don't know. Let me just ask Google first. I just want to see like in the images what people do. Wow, that's very like useful. Let's look at this. Okay, so this might help. I don't know. There's nothing. They do functions. I need for loops. I don't know what it is, man. Neither do I. Okay, there's a for example. let I equal 0. Hmm. They have weird wording. Exactly. It's just so weird. It says like declare your iterator I. I think I is the iterator. And assign it. I think they just want you to write a simple for loop. But let me tell you the problem. I don't know how to write a single like simple for loop. Like I'm trying to like write this thing in the top that I did earlier, like without no increment. It doesn't tell me to like increments. Assign the value of count, then use a boolean false to your condition for your condition and iteration statements. So which part is the like iteration and which part is the condition? This doesn't tell me anything. Start initialization, condition, statement. I think I just want to write a simple loop. How can I write a simple loop in this scenario? I have to like use the boolean false somewhere, but I actually have no idea, guys. So maybe I can. No, that's not the right one. I equals count. The second condition in the loop has to be true for the loop to continue. Maybe they want something like this for let's I equals count. Okay. False, false. Oh yeah, that might be true because it says false for your condition and iteration statements. That might be true. But that's just really stupid and like bad wording. Nope. I have no idea what they want you to do. It's just bad wording. I don't know. I mean, you guys would probably like understand it and do it, but it's just bad wording. The second condition in the for loop has to be true for the loop to continue. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this true and then true, true, and the other one false. I have no idea. This is so interesting. Like, why? And when you like try to create a help post on the forum. I'm gonna ask the Daddy ChatGPT guys. I don't know. It's probably the best. I just want this. For I in range count. The instructions you provided to create a situation where the loop will not execute typically. Yeah, even the ChatGPT is struggling, but since the loop will never execute due to false condition, the essentially equivalent, it's not having a loop at all. Could you please clarify the desired behavior of the context for this loop? You have to let I equals count, but I did that. Oh, not this for. But it was like saying, like creating a new for loop. Should I do it here? Like let's. Is it like this? Wait, what? What? That's so stupid. Now it works. So we gotta like use let's like regardless of the situation in the for statement. I don't, that's just stupid. It's just bad wording. I mean, I could have done this, but like, I think this is like just bad wording. Even like ChatGPT was like, what the fuck is this meant to be? Okay, thank you, Adam, you're a genius. I know. This dude is really good. Like, also with chess. Adam, do you want to play chess after this? After we finish the thing? Guys, let me tell you, Adam is like really good at chess. There's no shot. What is this? I know, like, this is just so stupid. It's just bad wording and bad grammar too. But I'm not dissing the website. The website is fantastic, but I don't know. This question was just stupid. Let's go. I'm just gonna assume that I'm not gonna come across anything like that ever again in my life, and I'm gonna just move on. Let's play chess, man. Okay, how about this? Let's, like, after we finish step 118, we can play chess to the stream. I'm gonna win this time though. Because you're going to loop in the opposite direction. I also love chess. Let's see if you get any better. No, I'm not. I'm not any better. Like last time I tried playing with my girlfriends and like her elo was like 100, so I don't think I improved any more. I also love chess. We can play with Alexander too. Alexander, what's your rating in chess? Or like if you play chess, that is. Because you're going to loop in the opposite direction, your loop needs to run I while greater than 0. Is it three people? Your loop needs to run while I is greater than 0. While I equals counts. You can use the greater than operator for this. So your loop's conditioned to run while I is greater than 0. Okay. Oh. Huh? Oh, I think I... 6:30 rapid, but I haven't been playing that long. Yeah. I never played 2. But Adam is like really good. I think Adam was like 1400, 1300, something like that. He's good. And I'm only like a pathetic 1000. I suck. Okay, let's do this one. Your loop needs to run while I is greater than 0. You can use the greater than operator for this. The fuck? What am I meant to do here? Okay, so the loop's condition is here. Am I wrong? Is it here? There's no way this works. First false is the condition. Ah, okay. Got it. This is the condition. Well, nope. Oh, there we go, never mind. Now it works. Step 101. That's very interesting though. Your iteration statement is also going to be different. Instead of adding 1 to I with each loop, you need to subtract 1. Ooh. Like you did earlier with the I equals I plus 1, update your first iteration statement. First iteration statement is this one. Okay, now that I can like understand what this iteration thingy is. To give I the value of subtracting 1 from itself. I think it's gonna be... Huh? Let's do this way. The I minus 1. I think this should work, right? Your for loop should use... I'm literally using it. Oh, I shouldn't say let's. What if I just do this? Are you studying CS at uni? No, I study, actually it's a little bit different. I study biomedical engineering, but I still like very like eager to learn coding. I think coding is the way. Like there's literally like no bad thing like that can happen with learning coding. It's just a benefit to your life if you're an engineer, I think. But like in our schools, like the code that has been like being taught to us by as a biomedical engineering student is like literally nothing. It's like print hello world. That's the equivalent of codes that we're learning. Iteration is the last false. But if the iteration is the last false, then what is the first one? So this one is the condition, this one is the iteration, then what is this one? Ah, fine. Okay, I get it. I get it, I get it, I get it. So this is iteration. This is the condition, but I don't know what this is. Okay, let's just move on. Again, push the results of calling the tuple with I and count. The first one is the iteration definer. Ah, okay. So iteration definer, condition, and the iteration. Again, push the result of calling Padro with your I. So we gotta do a little pushy push here. Um, rows dot push. Am I supposed to write this here? I don't know. Your I and count variables to your rows array. Ah, I don't think this is the way to go. Wait, push Padro. Oh, I forgot to push. I forgot to push the function. I forgot to push the function. Okay, now I gotta do like add row. Now this should work. Hmm. I thought I was going good. So roll up push. How did I roll up push Padro? So the parentheses are correct, I think. Mm-hmm. Padro. We're calling the function and then we're defining the parameters, I and the count. Oh, I forgot to. Oh, I just saw it. I just saw it. I just saw it. I'm gonna look at the comments. Yay! That's. I got it all by myself. Actually, I did. I'm actually proud of myself for once. I recommend the web dev simplified on YouTube. It has great tutorials on JavaScript and web dev stuff. Oh, that's actually a decent advice. Let me screenshot that. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at this after the stream. Thank you, Alexander, for the tip. Let's go, guys. Step 103. Just like the addition these, there are different operators that you can use you can use for subtraction. The subtraction assignment operator minus equals to subtracts the given value from the current variable and assigns the result back to the variable. Replace the iterator statements. The iterator is this one. This is the iterator definer. This is the condition. And now it's gonna be easy. Easy. Okay, this is just a no-brainer. This is super easy. Step 104, because you're on the subtract. Wait, what? What is this? Oh, decrements. Decrements? How do you pronounce this? Decrements? I don't know how you pronounce this. Wait, what? I just did. Oh, I'm supposed to remove this too. Yep. So what am I missing now? Oh, am I supposed to like put I like after the thing? Subtract, subtract, because if it's like subtraction, nope. Am I supposed to do it like this? Nope. So what am I missing? Because you're only subtracting 1 from I, you can use the decrement operator. Why doesn't it work? I literally have no idea why it does not work. Guys, this code should work, right? Am I incorrect? I'm using the decrement operator. I minus minus. Okay. This. Oh my god, it's just one space. Okay, I got it. I got it. It has to be like sticked up to one another. Use a multi-line comment to comment about this loop as well. Okay, sir, as you wish. We must do that. What? Let's go, guys. Okay. Let's ace this. How much do I have left? I think I have 12 left. Easy. Let's go, guys. Let's finish. You can actually build the inverted pyramid without needing to loop backwards like you did. Hmm. Oh. My phone's been ringing. Okay. Hello? I'm on stream right now. Bye. Okay. My phone is freezing. Okay. Let's go chat. Let's continue. We're so close to finishing it, and then we can play chess together. You can actually build the inverted pyramid without needing to loop backwards like you did. To do this, you need to learn a couple of new array methods. Start by using const to declare numbers. Let's just do it. Const numbers. So we gotta assign. No, we don't use string. I think oh, 1, 2. Is that how this was? If I remember correctly. Then log the numbers array. Console.log numbers. Damn. How often do you stream? I stream every single day. I'm gonna try to stream every single day this summer. Like it's in the same hours. I start in my time here. It's I mean 10 a.m. But it's in your time it's probably different. But I just like start streaming at this hour. Like it's a fixated hour. And I stream about 1 or 2 hours. Maybe I can go longer today though. I might go longer. I mean, there's no like shame in that. Oh, I forgot to put the equal sign. Now it works. Okay. I was like, what was my mistake? On shift. That's the first time I'm hearing that word. Let's go. The on-shift method of an array allows you to add value to the beginning of the array, unlike push, which adds the value to the end of the array. That on-shift returns the new length of the array. It was called on. There's an example code. Example. On shift 3, so it just adds 3 to the beginning. Countdown, new length. Oh, that's interesting. Countdown. dot on shift. So we added. It's pretty interesting to use. Use a constant to declare unshifted. Okay. Constant unshifted. Unshifted we assigned the result of calling unshift. Okay. Numbers, well, not better. Numbers dot unshift. Pass 5 as the argument and print. Oh, no, 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 I don't want that. I don't want that. Let's change this. And we're going to console log the unshifted, and it's gonna give us this 5, I think. No, it's not. It's gonna give us 4. It's gonna give us 4. Unshift. Yes, okay, we're good. We're good, guys. Let's go. That was easy. Whew. I think it was easy. Let's see, is my excellence? That's good. That's cool. Step 108. Can I ask me later? I'm broke. Thank you very much. Step 108. Arrays also have a dot shift method. This will remove the first element of the array, unlike pop, which removes the last element. Here's an example of the dot shift methods. The numbers array would be 2, 3. It just remove the first element. Interesting. You're doing amazing, man. Thank you, Adam. Directly below your numbers array, declare a shifted variable. Okay. Shifted. Is it supposed to be constant? That is equal to numbers dot shift. Console log. I think that should be fine. Yep, it's fine. Let's go. It's easy coding. 92% done, guys. We're so close. Only 10. I think only 10 more left. After 10 exercises, we can, like, finish this one. I don't know what that was. Okay, let's just move on. Now that you tried these methods, you can do another inverted pyramid approach. But first, you need to clean up your experimentation. Let's go. Step 110. Sometimes you may wish to bring back previous code that you commented out. You can do that by removing this around the uncommon, only your first loop. %. Let's go. There's 4 people here. That's cool. Is there 4 people here? It says 2. I don't know. YouTube is weird. Step 111. Your pyramid is no longer inverted. This is because you're adding a new row to the end of the array. Because let's see. Yes, it's not inverted. Update your loop body to add new rows to the beginning of the array. Okay, this I might need help. This is because you're adding a new rows to the end of the array. Blah 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 blah. New rows to the end of the array. I think it's talking about this one. I think you're Loop body. Where's the loop? I think this is the loop. This is the body. How am I supposed to change this? Any advices, guys? So I need to like change this stuff, but I don't know what to change it with. It's telling me to add new rows to the beginning of the array. Rows.shift. I don't know. What did we did in like the example? That unshifted? I don't know. What are we supposed to do? You should use unshift. Okay. Ah, now it's complete. I get it. What if you had to toggle between an inverted pyramid and a standard pyramid? Start declaring an inverted variable and assigning it the value true. You're not changing this variable in your code, but you will need to use let's so our test can modify later. Okay. That was easy. Only 5 steps left. Or 6, I don't know. Use an if statement to check if inverted is true. Remember that you do not use an equality operator here. What? And how am I gonna do it if I don't use an equality thingy? If statement to check if the inverted is true, remember that you do not need to use any equality operator. Wait, I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna use if here. And where the hell is the inverted? Since inverted, you can just say if inverted. Ah, that's so smart. If inverted, because the inverted is gonna be either true or false. That's true, that's true. You guys are so good at this. Alexander, are you like a computer science like students or like a are you studying computer science or are you like employed somewhere? Step 140. Now move your unshipped call into if block. You mean this? I'm studying, yeah. Oh, oh, this is interesting. Oh, is this actually what they wanted from me? Wow. This website is so weird. 97% complete. It's okay, we're so close to finishing this. If your pyramid is not inverted, then you will want to have else block that fills the pyramid in normal order. If the condition is true on this code, else, okay, I know this. Add an else block to your code. So if and's here, and then you're supposed to use else here. Step 100. When the inverted is false, if it's false, because it's a boolean like thingy, so it's either true or false, so we don't need to like write it as if it's equal to 1 or not, or if it's equal to true or not. Is false, you want to build a standard pyramid, use that push like you in the previous steps to achieve this. I think I'm getting the picture. Rows dot push. I'm so good. I'm actually so good. I'm actually so good at this. Step 117. Your pyramid generator is now finished state with more functionally than you can originally plan. The next step is to clean up your code. Remove all the comments, both single and multi-line from your code. So this. So this. So this. So this. So this. It's gonna turn into an abomination. 99% complete! We're so close! I think this is the last one. Or it may be the second last one. I don't know, but we're so close to finishing this. Nice work. Experiment with different values for your character with inverted variables. When you're ready to move on to your next project, set character to... Oh, set character to thing. Count to 10. Oh, it's gonna be a big pyramid. Interesting. If I did this like 100... Okay. If I did this like 12... It's gonna be a big one. Like that goes. And inverted to false. Now it's gonna be... Yay! Let's go, guys! Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Special thanks to Adam and Alexander for helping me out today with the JavaScript. It's 100% complete. It is official. Thanks to your guys' help. Now it's complete. Whew. Wow. Damn. Inverted. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now we can play chess, guys. Let's play chess. It's syncing with the music too, bro. Let's go. If inverted. I need to like restudy this code so much. Go back to it and study it because like when I look at it like as a whole, I don't really understand anything. I have to like separate it into pieces like function path row number, row count, return, like empty space that repeats, row count minus row number. It's just something that I have to study after this stream. Oh well, it was a great stream, you guys. Damn, it was fun. We're all proud of you. I'm proud of you guys more actually. You guys helped a lot, like seriously. Chess.com. Let's go to chess.com. No, thank you. No. Alexander, are you here? Do you wanna like play chess? I mean, do you use chess.com? That's the first thing. Or Alan, do you want to play chess? Play computer. Yeah, my username is Shashku. Okay, let me send an invite to you. Play. Players. Username. Gosh. Cool. I think I typed it correct. Alexander can go first. Okay. I mean, Adam's gonna most likely defeat me, so. Oh. Oh my god. If I can type, that'd be cool. Okay, I'm adding a friend. 6:30. I think it's you, yeah. September 2020. Damn, you're early. So let's challenge to 10-minute rapids. I don't want it to be, uh... It's not gonna be rated. I send an invitation, you can just, like, accept and we can, like, play. So let's do 5 minutes, because I know that... Yeah, yeah, sure, I did 10 minutes. I'm not that good too. Don't like look at my rating and think I'm good. I'm actually not that good. Like trust me, I'm not good. I don't play this game yet. You can like look at my game history. The only reason my rating is high is because I started the game Okara Khan. The only reason that I'm good is because like I started the game at like at 1200 rating. Let's go. Let's see. What are you gonna do now? Hmm. Interesting. Let's develop. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Let me try to make it like bigger for you guys. Oh, yeah, that's better. Oh, he played. My turn. Okay. Hmm, let's see. Okay, so it should be here. Okay. I can defend my pawn. Or... Hmm. Let's see. I like how this like coding stream turned into a chess stream. That's always it always happens, like so funny. What is this thing? Hmm. What? I don't know. I'm kind of confused. What's this exchange? I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna reroute my knights. Go, guys. It's a really intense battle. I may win or I may lose. I think the position is equal if I'm not like blundering any pieces. I don't think I am. Am I blundering any pieces? I hope I'm not. Let's go. The blunder is inevitable. Let's see. Let's see. Coding related, would you like to be able to do a small project or something now? Not to promote about ad, but something simple to test your JC skills. It's always best to practice before trying to hit big. You're correct. I will do like do like little projects to like get used to coding because building a mobile app is like really difficult. Well, let's see. Oh, did you play? Oh, it's my turn. Where was it? Oh, it was here. Let's remove the knights. I don't know where to go from here, but just go here, I guess. Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm actually so stupid. I missed a good move. Well, shit. Okay, let's go like this. Now it's better though. Okay, now I have a chance at winning the pawn. I can pay for 24 hours. Yeah, I'm planning to do one of those too if I can have the stamina for it, but we'll see. I don't know. Hmm. I mean, I think this is just better for me. Oh shit! I blundered a piece. Oh no! Oh no! I blundered a. Oh my god! No! That's actually so sad. Oh my god! I'm actually so sad right now. I'm actually so sad right now. I'm actually so sad. I actually blundered the piece. I'm gonna cry. I actually blundered the piece, like, oh my god. That's so annoying. Hmm. Ooh. I actually blundered the piece! Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Maybe I can win from this position, though. Adam, do you think I can win from this position? I don't know. Let's try to turn into a Magnus Carlsen. What would Magnus Carlsen do in this situation? What would Magnus Carlsen do in this situation? Hmm. I don't really know what to do, actually. I think I'm kind of screwed, unless you, like, blunder. Yeah. I don't really know what to do. Now I blundered another piece. Yeah, I'll try, but I keep blundering. I got, like, advantage a little, and then I blundered my advantage. Yeah, I just I keep blundering. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna get in time, but he goes here, I go here, he goes here, check. Yeah, I think I lose. I don't think I can win. Yeah, let's resign. Good game. Yeah, I don't think I can win from here, but I'll try. Let's see. I told you, like, one blunder and everything is over. Like, that's the thing. Good game, sir. I could have won if I didn't blunder. I don't know. So just take it, I guess. I don't really have anything to. Let's resign. There's no points. Good game. Ah, good game. Let's play with Adam. I blundered 2 times, exactly. Let's play with new game. Let me send invitation to Adam. Let's make it 3 minutes. 3 to 2. 3 minutes is the best, I think. Good game. Good game, Alexander. Good game. I did 2 blunders, but oh well. Happens to the best of us. Oh, another Karukan. I hate Karukan so much. Let's see. I'm gonna try to kick it out. Well, oh well. Maybe I can like go here. I don't know. I don't like my position at all. I'm gonna go like this. Hmm. This is terrifying. Hmm. Well, I have no. I'm gonna run out of time probably. I have no idea. I actually have no idea. Hmm. I'll go here. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh no. Whew. Damn, holy shit, that was so good. What? Oh my god, that was so good. Holy, how did I, what a comeback. 1750. Oh my god, my end game was perfect. Oh my god, good game, Adam. Holy shit. Oh my, that was so good. Adam, are you here? Better than me at coding, better than me at chess. No, I'm not better than you at coding, bro. No, no. Good game. Holy shit. Damn, 1750 performance. That's my best ever. Oh my god. And it happened, end game accuracy 96.9. That was so good. I had no idea how I played like that. Even though I completely brown even though I completely blundered in the end. Damn. I think like Alexander and Adam, you guys should play too. I can spectate on the stream. Oh my god, what a good game. Oh my god, like at this part, when I like started playing actually good, I was completely losing 6.2, and like after like what? King E7, King F7 takes. That was so, and then this was a great move. That was my first great move, and then I equalizes stuff. That was such a good game. I wish that Gotham Chess like recap this game. I don't know, it'd be so fun to see. This is like Magnus Carlsen level like grind. I mean it's not, it's like Andrea Botas level, like, but still, you know, it was fun. I want to see if I can spectate you guys. Damn. I want to see like if you guys are playing, I want to see if I can like see games, no games in progress. Send friend request. Okay, tell me when you guys are playing so I can like watch you. Ooh, damn, that was a good game. Damn, I'm not gonna forget that game. That game was so good. Damn. GG's, brother. Oh, I can watch now. I wanna watch. Okay, this is, let's see, is it 1 minute? Dory Adam versus Shashku. Alexander versus Adam. Okay. Interesting opening. D4, D5, F4, C6. Okay. Interesting. Nicer outs. I'm gonna do like Gotham Chess, kind of like spectate, like, you know. Okay, interesting. Threatening. Oh, good attack. Is he gonna deflect it? I don't think he can. Interesting. Good attack by Alexander. Good defense by Dory Adam. Let's go. Summer in the rain. Oh, of course my internet is bad. Okay, let's go. Alexander is thinking. Okay. Putting the knight to the center. It's a really good move in my opinion. Let's not mind the stockfish because I don't understand from stockfish. It's a supercomputer. Chooses to take with the pawn. Okay. Position seems equal in my case, but the bishop is not defended. Okay. Bishop moves back and the position is dead equal from Stockfish. Very interesting. I wonder what's gonna happen now. Summer in the rain. Okay. Making my subscribers compete. Let's go. Good defense by Adam. A pawn push from Alexander. What the hell is an explorer? Oh, let's go this one. Let's go. Now Dory Adams thinking, okay. A pawn push indicating he's gonna push the F pawn. Okay, takes back to the pawn. The position is equal. Now what is Alexander gonna play? Let's see. This is so their ratings are double the difference, but is Alexander somehow gonna be able to find the victory here? Their position seems to be equal. Well, we're gonna be finding out today. Okay, there's an attack on the pawn. Now how will Alexander gonna respond to the attack? Maybe they could have gone like this. I don't know. Hey, what? Hey, what happens? I have no idea what happens. Can I take it back? Wait. I don't know what's happening. Why did the color change? Oh, do I gotta like go back to this and then... Oh yeah, they're playing. Okay. Let's go. Now, as we can see from the thing, Alexander is one pawn up, but the position seems to be equal from the Stockfish's eyes. Now, is Adam gonna exchange rooks? We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Yes, indeed he does. Now he's gonna take with the queen. Yes, he's gonna take with the queen. Now what's gonna happen? Oh, he chooses to delete that pawn, Adam. Very nice move by Adam. He's gonna target the weak pawn on b2. And he does just that. And there's mate coming. I mean, that's not mate. The position seems equal. I'm just stupid. But still, it seems like a really big threat in my eyes. But Stockbridge said the position is equal. So, I don't know how that's equal or how does it even make sense. But still, there's 3 people watching the live stream right now. We're seeing the 2 giants clash. Adam and Alexander clashing right now. Their position is dead equal. I wonder who's gonna be the victorious, even though there's a 600 elo difference. Let's go. The position seems to be favoring the black, in my opinion, but the Stockfish says they're equal, because probably Alexander is a pawn up, as you guys can see. Now, oh, interesting push by white, preventing from queen to entering, infiltrating the b2 square. Now queen has another job, and it is to take on the a2 pawn, the weak pawn over there. Because the pawn push created a weak pawn on a2, and that's what Adam is trying to do right now. We get a check, and now moves the thing. But what's gonna happen right now? It's really hard to tell. It's all up to one blunder. If anybody just blunders, it's game over. But let's see who's gonna blunder first. Evaluation says they're equal. Let's go. Who's gonna be the best? Who's gonna be the winner? I'm really bad at commentating. I just realized. Is there any possible attacks for white? Oh, white just hangs a pawn in a2. But maybe white has an idea to attack. Adam gives a check. Now how will the white respond? Ladies and gentlemen, Stockfish says, I don't know what's happening with Stockfish. Stockfish is going crazy, up and back, up and back. I guess Stockfish is not thinking that we're just puny humans who playing chess with our puny brains. And Stockfish is like a giga chat of computers. But I don't know. He's checking the king again. I think Adam is in the lead in my opinion because he's attacking better and he's actually able to like give checks, deliver checks to his opponents. But Stockfish says they're somehow equal. But I think the black is in the lead, but we'll see. And if you look at the clock, white has only 4 minutes to play, and there's another check coming from black. Now white is down to 4 minutes, and Adam almost has 8 minutes on his clock. Now, how will the match go? The evaluation bar says Adam is better, but I don't see how. Maybe there's a check that can be given by rook, I don't know. Oh, palm push by Adam, threatening to take the queen. Now Alexander has to move the queen elsewhere. Okay. Very good, very good. How many people are there? There's 3 people here. Okay, now the position is back to equal. Let's see what's gonna happen. But Alexander has to do better on time. He has only 3 minutes left and there's still the middle game. I'm gonna pre-move that the time is gonna be in Adam's favor in the end, and that's why the time Adam is gonna be able to win. Oh, interesting attack. Very good attack by Adam. I wonder what's gonna happen now. Let's go. Yes, and white is down to 2 minutes and 45 seconds. This position does not favor the whites, in my opinion, because he only has 2.5 minutes to play. Now, what is he gonna pull off? Let's see. Good defense by white. Adam responds with pressure to pawn on f4. Oh, very good attack indeed. Now he defends a pawn because the queen was gonna attack that pawn on g6. He defends it with the rook by sliding his rook to f6. Now Alexander has less than 2 minutes to play. How will he play? Oh, the stock price says that was a mistake, but I don't know. I don't see any mistakes in my puny eyes. Puny human eyes. The position seems to be good. I don't see any problems with it. Slices rook up. I think that was a top computer move. A top computer move by Alexander. Very good move to defend his pawns. And now Adam retreats. Oh, and now for a queen trade. Asks for a queen trade. Now are we gonna get a queen trade? But we can't. Oh, yeah, I mean we can. Let's see what's gonna happen. The position seems to be back to equal again. If I was Alex, I would probably take on the pawn here, but he didn't choose to. We'll see what's gonna happen now. Adam declined. Adam refuses the queen trade because there's only 1 minute and 30 seconds left. He doesn't want to go to the end game because he knows he can win in the middle game because the position is tied up and he has 5 minutes on the clock. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think is gonna happen? Oh no, that was the oh wait, what? What? Oh my god, no. I hope like Alex didn't listen to me and like did that. Oh my god, I feel so bad. Guys, do not listen to commentators. We have no idea what we're talking about. Please play your game. Mate in 16. Damn. Yeah, definitely gotta find that out. Mate in 4. Mate in 3. Is he gonna be able to find it? I don't think so. Let me give you guys an advice. If you oh, there's a mate in 1. I think he's gonna find it. Is Adam gonna find the mate in 1? He didn't. He didn't find the mate in 1. Now, is Alex gonna be able to respond to the mate in 1? Guys, I'm a spectator and I saw the mate in 1, but is Alex gonna be able to prevent that? Oh my god, this is super critical. What's gonna happen? He has to play fast or otherwise he's gonna lose. Alexander. 1 second. Oh my god. Good game. Good game. You're supposed to move your rook a little bit up. If that was the case, but he couldn't find it out because he only had 2 seconds on the clock. It's normal. Very good game. Very good game by both of these players. Both of these players. Very good game. Very good performance by both of these players. Good game. Well fought, guys. Okay, how long has it been? It's been 2 hours. 2 hours since I started this stream. I think that's enough for today. I'll go back to coding and learning some stuff else. I'm gonna look at the thing that Alexander mentioned. Um, what was it? Web Dev Simplified on YouTube. I'm gonna check it out after this stream. So thank you guys so much for coming to the stream. The commentator was pretty good, has the future. I hope. Doubly commentary. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for the applause. You guys were really good players too. Oh, Lasser is here. Hi. Hello. No, I don't want to close the stream. If you guys don't mind, I want to continue the stream. What do you guys think? There's 5 people, not players. I'm stupid. There's 5 people here. This was supposed to be a coding stream. It turned out to be a battle royale for chess, but it's fine. Hi, everyone. Have a good day. I mean, maybe I should continue streaming. I'll watch. I mean, I closed the thing, but of course you guys can do whatever you guys want. But I'm gonna like continue with since I finish the pyramids project in Freecode Camp. Maybe I can start with But I finished this. Wait, what? Sure, continue, bro. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna continue on with the next project, and I'm gonna try to do like 30 of them, and then try to end the stream because I still have. I feel like I have like stamina. I gotta go get water though. That was good game though. That was good, like good break time. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying. So 118 of these are done. I'm gonna try to review JavaScript fundamentals by building a gradebook app. That's very interesting. Okay, I'm gonna go get water and then I'm gonna continue. Let me just like, should I say 5-minute thing here? Nah, it's fine. I'm gonna start this in a minute. I'm gonna open the ChatGPT right here, so like I can cheat if I don't get the things like correct. There's 6 people here. What's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. People are just coming now. Just because people started coming right now, I don't want to end the stream. There's no point in ending the stream right now if people are like coming right now. Wow, what a good chess game it was. I still like can't believe my comeback against Adam. Like that was 1 in a million for me. I could never do the same thing. Like if you play chess again, I'll probably like lose like 3 times in a row. It was a good comeback. For those over here that didn't know, let me like show you my games archive. It was a bullet game. Was it a bullet game? No, it was like I got 2 mistakes. What is it called? It's 3-2, I think, right? It was a 3-2. It was so bad, and I played with the rating of 1750. Well, most of people, it's not really good, but for me, it's a really, really big accomplishment. Oh yeah, let me go get. Damn, there's 6 people here. I want to pass the record. Okay, there's still an error about this. It's because of my internet. Well, my record was 10. I want to pass 10 today. I want to be like 11 or 12. But at the same time. Come on. Be right back, guys. I'm gonna go get water. Stay right here. Hey, I'm back, guys. I hope I didn't take too long. There's 4 people here, but there's still a connection error. I don't like that. So let me like move so you guys can see. I think the connection error is due to like my internet. I don't know. I hope it's not. But yeah, let's go back to coding. I'm not satisfied with just 2 hours of coding. I want to code more. Meanwhile, I have the time. Let's go, guys. It's like really hot here. If I open the fan, would it bother you? Let's like see. I want to see if it's like affecting the microphone. I don't think it is. Let me check. I'm listening to the stream if it's like, you know. Yeah, it's not affecting the microphone. The microphone is not picking up the sound. That's so good. Means like we can open the thing. Okay, that's cool. Okay, let's go. Now we're gonna be doing JavaScript algorithms and data structures. Now we're gonna be let's go. Let's go back to coding, guys. Let's go. A teacher has finished grading their students' tests and needs your help to calculate their average score for the class. Why? Just multiply them all and divide them to the number of students. Okay, never mind. Complete the get average function, which takes in an array of the tests and scores and returns the average score. So the average score is calculated by adding up all the scores and dividing. Literally the thing I said. I know. Is that average sum of all scores divided by the total number of scores? A couple of function calls have been provided for you so you don't have to test out your code. Tips. You can use a loop to iterate over the scores array and add. Oh. So the function is get average? Is the notes different or is these all the notes? See, I'm trying to understand. Okay, I'm clueless. I don't know. My mind is still like boggling about that chess position when Adam and like Alexander was playing. Okay, let's go. Complete get average function, which makes it okay. So I gotta complete this function. There's a function here, right here, and these are like the classroom notes. I'm assuming. And am I just supposed to like, you know, function get average? Like just multiply all of them. The function parameter is a list of all the grades. So scores. First step is to add all of them. I mean, I'm just like the first idea that comes to my mind is like 92 plus 88 plus like just adding all of them and then like dividing them by the number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there's 20. So divide them by 20, and this is gonna be the function, and I don't know. But I think it's wrong though. I don't think that's the way to go. This is a little bit different. So what does it want me to do? How am I gonna get average? You can't just do that. Yeah, exactly. So, do I need to like define something else, like average? See, that's the thing. That's what I'm like. I don't know. Maybe scores. Um, I'll try anything. Do I need to like? I'm gonna try anything. Let's some. I don't know. To add all the grades to the list, you have to loop through the list. I'm trying to help, but don't want to give you the answer. See, I want to look through the list, but I don't know, like, I never done, like, any exercise that was remotely close to this, I think. That's why, like, I don't know. So I need to, like, ask it to either ChatGPT or I need to, like, find an answer somewhere else. Because I don't think I'm gonna get it by myself. Given the reason I lack the information. To add all the grades in the list, you have to loop through the list. So where is the list? Is this a list? And how do we even do loops? Are we gonna do like if statements or statements? Let me just ask ChatGPT. Mm, okay, I'm just gonna ask Daddy ChatGPT. Scores is the list. But how do we know scores is the list? Like, I don't understand how like the score variable has like all of these numbers inside. Like it didn't define them like earlier in the thing. That's what I'm like. That's what I didn't understand about the topic. So if I just use scores and if scores, group scores and sum them all up. So scores variable has 20 arrays, like different like text arrays inside. Am I correct? If I'm correct, like 20 arrays inside. So boring. Oh, there's a moderator. What a sportive, what a sportive, what a sportive moderator. That's so cool. Okay. I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT because I don't want to. This is a very weird lesson. I don't think that you learn the data structures or indexing. Exactly, and this is the first one to like pop up. How to write this. It doesn't like just teach you. Getting roasted by your own moderator? Yeah. AKA my girlfriend. Return lock. Okay. So it says, Adam, is this correct? Function get average scores let sum equal 0. For let I equal 0 scores dot length I plus plus. Like, how could I possibly know that? Literally, how can I possibly know that? Like, I know I did some examples about, like, these and for and let loops, but it's just not something you can just conduct out of nowhere. Like, they never taught me that. So let me try to dissect this and understand this. So this is the function average get scores. Let's like put this right here. Average get scores. So let's sum. So we do have to use let's. Okay, let's sum equal 0. I'm telling you, man, Daddy ChatGPT just knows everything, especially with the 4.0 like this version. For let's I equal 0. For let's I equal 0. And now, oh, I forgot to do this. There's a for loop here, and then it's true there's a bit of a big skill jump. Exactly, I wish they like taught it. I scored a so I is so we're defining this is the first. What is this part called again? This is the thing that starts with I. This is the I modification, and this is something I forgot. I forgot the names. I keep forgetting the names. I'm not good with names. Okay, so I'm not gonna like try to guess the names. I'm just gonna like write this and copy this. I smaller than scores.length. I scores.length. I plus plus. And then we're gonna increment the thing. And then we're going to open this portal. Let's some scores, some plus. It's for the loop strike iterator. Yeah, I keep forgetting the name. Iterator, condition, and the iteration. It's really important to know those though, like for like to be able to like code. Okay, so let's average equals sum. Let's sum plus oh plus equals scores and it's just a big skill jump. Like it's gonna I want to like learn these off stream so I can like code these like no problem in the stream. Because like an ordinary person like you can just like I think do this in a couple of minutes. Whereas I have to like cheat and like find the solution. So after we close the for, we're gonna continue with let average equals sum divided by let's scores.length scores.length and then return average. And now it should be fine. Jesus Christ. Okay. This is like difficult. This is actually like difficult. That's called an index. List 0 would be the first element to the list. Okay. List 1 would be the second element to the list, and so on. I don't think you learned that. I just knew like it started from 0 and like 0, 1. You're supposed to count. I know just like counting in this language, it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. It doesn't start from 1. So let me try to dissect this. So we define a variable called sum inside the function. That's important. Inside the function, let sum equals 0. So for I equals 0, if it's like if I is just the like imaginary counter that is what I'm assuming. If you like think like I is an imaginary counter, and if that counter starts from 0, and if it's like shorter than the length of the scores, which is 10, it's gonna increment by 1, and for every increment, it's gonna add the number of like it's gonna sum the number of scores. Oh, interesting. That's actually that makes a lot of sense. For every time in the increment, for example, if the I is 1, this didn't happen for and for the I1, it's still gonna be less than 10. Programmers start counting from 0, yeah. So it starts from 0, it increments in 1. It's gonna be 1, and 1 is still like smaller than 10. And now it's gonna be like sum equal sum plus score 2. This is score 0, this is score 1, score 2, score 3, score 4, score 5, score 6, score 7, score 8, score 9. I get it now. Now I get it. Now it's going to add some, for example, the first score, and then the second score, and third and fourth, and so on. And then we're going to define an average. Let average equals sum plus scores dot length. We know that after like this is going to run until the I is 10. I mean, when the I is 10, it's going to be equal to 10. So this is going to stop. It's not going to increment it anymore. And after that, let the average, that's going to be 10, and like all of them combined. Divided by scores.length, in which is 10 again. So return average, so it doesn't like give the undefined thing. Is my assessment correct, guys? If it's correct, that means I'm learning. I hope I am though. I think I am learning. Oh yeah. Okay. This is getting like dramatically harder. So what the hell is this supposed to be? Step 2. Now the teacher needs you to help converting the student's score to a letter grade. Oh god. Complete the get grade function that takes a number score as a parameter. Oh, what you said was perfectly correct. That's cool to hear. But this is going to be exponentially harder, I'm assuming. Complete the get grade function that makes the number score as a parameter. Okay, your function should return a string representing a letter grade based on the score. Here are some scores and corresponding grades. Tips. Remember that you learned about the conditional statements if, else if, and else. Remember that you learned about the comparison operators. Guys, this is gonna be super tricky. There's 5 people here, I'm assuming. How many people are there? There's 2 people, never mind. But YouTube says it's 5, I'm gonna trust YouTube. There's 5 people here. Any ideas what to do? So we're gonna like change this. Get grade 96, 82, and... Oh, there's only like 3 answers. Okay. So we need to run a code that's gonna, which is get grade. It's gonna determine, for example, 96. I think in the score thingy is an array. There's 3 arrays. There's 1, 2, and 3. Or there's still 10 or 20. I don't know. And then we just need a function that's I'm gonna try something. It's gonna be super weird, but I don't care. Let's I'm gonna make a thing called grade grade mm, equals 0. I'm gonna try to like make the increment thingy with the grade thingy. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't think it does though. So for mm, let's this is an imaginary number equals 0. It's gonna start from 0 and then we're gonna like increment it. So I want it to start from 0, like I is gonna start from 0, or I can make it like start from 100 and go down. I think that's the way to go. But let's just start from 0 because I learned it better. So I start from 0 and then we're gonna measure if I is smaller than 100. Oh, now this is a problem though. How can we do this? If I is smaller than or equal to 59, bunch of conditionals. Yeah. Well, how about this? Like, let me try to do something. For let I, if it's like between 0 and 59, and do the same for every grade range. Yeah, we gotta do it for every range. But I wanna try this too. So 59, it's gonna like I plus plus. There's no need for a loop. Huh. So there's no need for this, but I just wanna like see if it works. In theory, it should work, right? You have only 1 grade. Isn't there 3 grades? Like 3 that I need to do? Yeah, it's saying like it also saying in the tips that you need to do it ifs. So let's like remove this. Let's try to like think of something else. You have only one grade. Oh, with ifs, I think this is possible. If score smaller or equal to 59, um, I think this is doable though. Return F? Is that what I'm supposed to say? I don't think this is how it works, but yeah, the function is being tested 3 times, but the function only needs assessments, letter grade, and the number grades. I don't know what to do. Else it for 60. That's the way to do it. I hope it is. Like 60 and score. It has to be equal to 60 score and 69. Um, I'm confused. Return D. Well, the structure of the conditionals is if condition is here, the return statement is. Yeah, I think I should like add the parentheses. Oh my god, this is such a pain. Okay. I think I gotta go like study these off stream and then come back stronger. I'll probably stream tomorrow too. I think like streaming 2 to 3 hours every day at the same like time is the best. Uh, but yeah, I'll be making sure that I can do like long streams in the future too. But I'll talk about it later, guys. Because I just don't see like it's gonna take me like 15 minutes to like make this work because I'm pretty sure like these things are not correct. Either I put like extra ones or I didn't put them in the right place. I gotta go look these up and like learn about these more and then like do them in the stream or like do these off stream and like do the ones that are easy on the stream. And yeah, it's been how long has it been? It's been 2 hours and 30 minutes. I think that's enough for today's stream. I gotta like do and work on this a little bit more so I can be more efficient on stream. I don't mind the fact that you're learning on stream. Yeah, it's better, but I don't know. It just makes it like stream unwatchable for some people, and I get it because it's like errors, 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 errors. Hmm. I'm fine with trying to help. Well, I think there's always gonna be. I think I'm always gonna require your help, Adam, because I just can't do it alone, like all by myself. It on the stream, like some of the part is just really difficult for me. But you're like a coding god, so it's like easier if it's when you're like around. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a break, and then I'm gonna go try to like do it by myself. I'll try to stream tomorrow. I'll most likely stream tomorrow and the next day and the next day and so on. Also, thank you so much for taking your time, Adam. It really means a lot, and thank you for helping. And special thanks to you and my moderator and Alexander for your participation today. Um, yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I think it's gonna take some time because there's a delay. Okay, man, have a good day.